Battery is out of power? KEWIG battery charger helps you solve this problem easily. Detached battery? Indoor, only a charger plug helps charger after you owning KEWIG. Outdoor, power banking is enough. It takes several minutes to recover electric quantity. It is designed with indicator lights, real-time charging progress display, convenient to detach and store. Long-time motorcycle trip or daily commute. It can help you complete telesolve this problem.